and welcome to Around Town, our first episode of this series. And today we are with Tina.
Hello everybody.
So where are we, Tina?
We're in MajiaXiang. Here we have the most popular local snacks.
Okay, well let's try them out. Come on, chauffeur. Come with us, let's go have some food. Is there usually that many people here?
Yes, usually the local people and they come here, have snacks, but today is more because it's a national holiday.
That's right, it's October 1st and it's the national holiday week, so everybody is here. So that's cool. All right, let's try some food. We're going to try this thing called Yuan, which I think the translation is spring rolls, but these are very Sichuan spring rolls. What are we getting, Tina?
We're getting 2 different spring rolls.
Okay.
One is 3 kind of different vegetables with potato, cabbage, or Wilson, and the other one is just potatoes.
Okay, that's cool. I'm going to try it. So we have 2 different kinds. What's the difference?
So this one is the original flavor, and this one is with extra spice, which is wasabi.
Oh, okay.
And actually, when we're eating this, we're gonna add vinegar. But in Mianyang, we have a very special one.
Okay.
This is like the sweet vinegar.
Let's see. Oh, it's so good. That is really good. You do taste a lot of the vinegar flavor, but it has this crunchiness from all the vegetables inside. There's the spiciness too, and you can feel the radish in it. Let me try the one a little bit with the wasabi. Oh, the raw wasabi.
You got the kick.
Oh.
You got the kick.
A lot of wasabi. It's actually quite delicious, but the thing is, all the other flavors kind of go away, and you get this rush to your nose, and then your eyes start to cry, and then it kind of stops, but your nose is like really clear. What do you feel?
I mean, in the beginning, you got the kick, but then you kind of get addicted to this kind of feeling, It's just like, wow, I want this.
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst and 10 being amazing, I would put it at a good 8. A good 8. The service is super fast, flavor is good, and the company is even better. So, what would you rate it?
I will give it a 10 because I think Yuan is quite healthy and it's tasty and also cheap. It's only like 7 kuai for this plate.
Okay, we're gonna move on to our next stall, our next place, and yeah, let's try. So what are these things? It look like some papaya looking thing.
It's durian, but
Okay.
baked durian.
Okay, so I have mixed feelings about durian. While I know how it smells, in reality I haven't tasted a lot of durian. I'm turned off by the smell, but I will taste it because probably.
Delicious. What are you talking about? Try it.
Okay, here we go. Funny enough, it does not taste like it smells. It's closer to like a mango flavor. It's not a strong flavor at all. Very tropical. Actually, kind of good.
Now you're liking it, Uni?
I don't know if I'm liking it, like, oh my god, but I'm like, all right, not particularly disgusted by it, which is good. Yeah.
It is really good.
Yeah. How many points would you give it? 1 out of 10.
I think I will give it a 6 or 7 because I think it's not the best durian type.
There are many different other types of durian?
Yeah. There's a whole industry about durian type.
Oh, okay.
Different type of durian has different flavor than yeah.
Oh, okay. Actually, just because it surprised me, I would give it a 6 out of 10. It's surprising. It is. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be way lower because it's durian. But hey, that's pretty good. All right, let's go next. 哎，不好意思啊，谢谢。
过一下，过一下，谢谢，过一下。
Ah, we can breathe now.
This.
Oh, what is this?
How do you say fei chang?
It's fei chang.
Yes, with a spring onion inside.
Okay, it's good. I'll try it. Oh, these are intestines.
Yeah.
So where's our fei chang?
I think she's cutting now.
Wow, that's a lot of la jiao.
It's not that spicy.
Okay. Here we go. We have some fei chang. We're gonna try it with spring onions inside. Okay. Cheers.
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 It's hot. But it's not that oily than I think.
It's chewy. I'm not a big fan of chewy. Again, the flavor is not what I expected, but it is chewier than I expected. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. What about you, Tina?
I mean, I'm a big fan of fei chang, but the flavor of this one I would just give probably a 7 because I'm not a big fan of this big spring onion thing.
Okay. You're not eating what?
I don't like the spring onion.
I'm eating the spring onion. This is good. I'll eat the spring onion.
Yeah.
This is cool, and just so you know, it's actually 8 o'clock and it's still like this.
这个是布偶的。
哎，不偶，喜欢可以到我们店里面，店里
哦，你的店在里面。
Oh, you're from the store over there. We've checked it out before. So, Tina, why is it called MajiaXiang, by the way?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. That's a great question.
I believe there is a history about this place, but I just don't know about it.
Oh, okay. We'll get to find out, I guess. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna have a seat. Oh, what is it there? I need to find a chair.
Sit here. Oh,
It's not a chair.
let's see. What do we have?
Oysters. What would you like to try?
Let's try the oyster first.
Okay, but before we try these scallops and these oysters, we're gonna take a little break to hear from our sponsors, Sichuan Wine Cellar. Take a look.
四川省第一家城市中心的酿酒酒窖位于绵阳科技城人才公园。赤润城市酒窖拥有一个功能齐全的开放式酿酒工厂，以及储酒酒窖、派对餐厅、酒吧于一体的多功能活动空间。原料选自于全球40多个优质产区的葡萄园。除自有品牌葡萄酒以外，我们主要为大家提供私人定制葡萄酒的现场手工创作，通过沉浸式文化体验，开启舌尖美酒环球之旅。
Now we're back. Okay, let's try some scallops. Okay, oh, you're gonna give me one. All right. So what do we have here? So there's a scallop somewhere there.
Yeah.
What's on top?
粉丝 we call it.
It's like angel hair's noodle. Okay.
Yeah.
And on top of that,
I think it sounds like meat.
one thing or
One.
one? Okay.
It's hot. It's hot. Isn't it hot? seafood.
Yeah.
How do you like this one?
The thing is, for me, the dislike for seafood comes with the strong seafood flavor, which this one doesn't have.
Oh, I forgot. I think on the top is garlic.
Garlic, that's what it is.
They fry the garlic and put it as a sauce.
Okay.
That's why it's, you know.
You don't taste the seafood. I mean, you taste the scallop a little bit, but it's like, nah. I would give this a good 8 out of 10. Yeah, really good.
It's good.
Oysters.
Men usually eat oyster, right?
Men usually eat oysters. Women eat oysters. Everybody eat oysters because oysters, I guess, are delicious.
Look at this chili on top.
Okay, how do you guys call that one here?
小米椒. Because you're in Sichuan, you gotta eat something spicy.
Okay, let's get into it then. Oh, it's actually really good. Oh, that's an 8 out of 10. That's a good 8.5.
Because the chili helped.
Yeah, that was really good. You don't taste the seafood at all. You don't taste it at all. Super good. All right, so that was MajiaXiang. We're gonna go check out another place from some other street food here around Mianyang. So follow us on Around Town. Let's go. And we are back. We're at TonganXiang and we're gonna try a couple of other dishes and places over here. And actually, one of my favorite barbecue places is here, so that's why I want to show you. So you got a bunch of like food trucks and food carts going on, different kinds of stuff.
Usually these places get really crowded, you know, around midnight time.
Why?
Because are usually, you know, young people after clubbing or drinking, they come here and for some late night snack.
Okay, here we go. So we're gonna choose a bunch of stuff, starting with the beef.
And something else you want to try? I think this one is chicken.
So I like this place because of one, this little thing. They can sit you outside, but outside is like around the corner, sitting for everything else. Nobody come and see you. Two, she's right. I mean, most of the places here are open super late. So if we are going out, having a good time, and then we're like, oh, we're hungry, good place to go. And their portions are very nice. Why you like this place?
It's delicious.
Okay, so I am digging this because usually I don't actually eat fat, but it has like a little bit like juiciness, more juiciness than the regular lean one.
From the fat.
It's because of the fat? Okay. Yeah. Do they make it in like in bigger versions?
No. In Sichuan, we usually make like small, because first it's believed the spices can get more sucked in the meat. And the second is easy for our, you know, Sichuan girls' mouths. We're a small mouths.
Okay. Okay, hey, we're getting more food. I like the smaller portions of it. I like that I can choose many different kinds. And because of the small portion, I think if they were like huge portions, I would eat only like a couple kinds.
Diversity.
But yeah, this one with the smaller portion, you get a whole ton more diversity in terms of like things. Those are some fat ribs.
I'm gonna choose the fattest one for you.
All right. Here comes, by the way, the ASMR portion of this video. Please enjoy. We're good.
I don't know if it opened it.
牛肉还是肥肠？
一两牛肉的
Okay, so what are we getting here?
米粉。
Mifer,
I
okay.
mean, usually we have this for breakfast, but right
Okay.
now is a totally different young people living style. We eat meat in the midnight.
In the middle of the night.
Actually, it's really good, you know, after you're drinking a lot.
Alright, what are we adding?
Adding cilantro,
Cilantro.
spring.
Okay. We're very sorry for the people that genetically cilantro tastes like soap. But I love cilantro. Cilantro is great.
Let's take
Yeah. I can look at all that meat for again, like it looks like this what we call angel hair noodles in Chile.
okay.
And
It's very thin.
yeah, same idea. But this obviously we don't serve it with this kind of soupy looking thing, and but this looks delicious. Let's try it.
It's hot. You better blow it.
Okay. Yeah. It's oily, but I can see why in the middle of the night it would be actually really, really good.
Why?
Like you're like, well, I mean, the drinking most likely. You know, coming in, I've had a few drinks. I want to eat something oily to take everything away.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
This
getting
is
it.
actually very traditional Mianyang people breakfast. But right now, I guess, you know, people are really liking it. We're eating not only
Breakfast.
but all the time.
all the
We're
time.
craving this, we eat it.
I think actually we have gone to eat mifen more times in the evening than we have ever eaten them
Try some.
in the morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you everybody for joining us. Thank you Tina for helping us today.
You're welcome, my pleasure.
And remember to like and subscribe. Check out our next episode, a little teaser. And remember, keep it nerdy.